In this section, we'll go over proper stretching. The key to proper stretching is to flatten the skin in 3 opposing directions. This is called the 3-point stretch. The 3-point stretch consists of using the thumb and the index finger of the non-working hand and the pinky finger of the working hand for support. This is how you stretch the right eye of the tail. Use the thumb to stretch up and down, and use the index finger to stretch to the left to flatten the skin, while the pinky finger of the working hand is supporting your stability. For the middle of the eyelid, use both the index and the thumb to stretch. Place the index finger to stretch away from you, while using the thumb to stretch towards you to flatten the skin. Make sure you're not pressing the client's eyeball while stretching. Remember, if you press the eyeball too much, you may end up scratching and damaging the conjunctiva. In the inner corner of the eye, use the index finger to pull the skin towards you with the help of the thumb. When you're working on the left eye, gently turn your client's face over so that you can see the working area better. This is how you stretch the tail of the left eye. Use the index finger to stretch away from you, while the thumb is stretching upward with a slight flipping motion. You also need some part of your working hand to help with the stretching, while supporting your stability. When you stretch the middle of the eyelid on the left eye, use your index finger to stretch away from you, and the thumb to stretch towards you to flatten the area better when you're working on it. Please make sure not to press your client's eyeball while stretching the eyelid. This is a common mistake beginners can make, and you may end up scratching and damaging the conjunctiva. When you're working on the inner corner, use your thumb to pull the skin upward, and use the index finger to pull and stretch the skin away from you. Make sure to use some part of your working hand to help with the stretching while supporting your stability.